Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain what a 3-axis CNC milling machine is and how it works. This type of machine is widely used in industries for tasks like cutting, drilling and engraving various materials. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which means the entire machining process is automated and controlled by a computer. The term 3-axis refers to the 3 dimensions in which the cutting tool or workpiece can move: left and right, forward and backward, and upside down. CNC bed size. The bed size of the CNC machine is 1 meter by 2 meters, which tells us the maximum size of the workpiece it can handle. The bed is the surface where the material is placed during machining. Having a larger bed size allows for greater flexibility in processing bigger components or multiple smaller items at once. It is important because it defines the working area and capacity of the CNC machine. Introduction to CNC machines. CNC machines use computer controlled systems to automate the movement of tools. The concept started in 1940s and 50s with punch tape and evolved into modern systems with software controls. These machines are now used in almost every manufacturing industries, including automotive, aerospace, electronics, woodworking, and more. The biggest advantage is that it is repeatable and precision. Once a program is set, the machine can create identical parts over and over again with very low error. Block diagram. This block diagram helps us to understand the flow of the data and power in the CNC system. It shows components like controller, drivers, power supply, stepper motors, and spindle motor. The diagram is like a map that explains how the machine parts are interconnected and how commands from the computer are converted into physical motion by the motors. Top view. The top view of the machine shows how various parts are arranged on a horizontal plane. From this view, we can observe the positioning of the X and Y axis, the bed layout, and the motor placements. This helps designers and users visualize spatial relationships and plan their tool plan accordingly. Side view. The side view shows how the X-axis is implemented. It gives a better understanding of how the vertical movement is handled by the machine. You can also see how the spindle motor is mounted and how the tool engages with the material from above. 3D view. This slide gives us a 3-dimensional perspective of the entire CNC setup. It helps in understanding the full structure, how the grandy, spindle, bed, motors, and frame are positioned. It's like having a complete model of the machine in front of you, making it easier to understand how different parts interact. Overview of the 3-axis CNC milling machine. The machine uses 3 stepper motors to move along the cutting tool in X, Y, and Z direction. It is mainly designed to work on soft materials like wood, MDF, medium density fiberboard, and PCBs, printed circuit boards. It operates using Match 3 software, which allows users to design the toolpath and control the machine easily. This slide gives a summary of what makes the machine practical, flexible, and easy to use for prototyping and small-scale manufacturing. Working principle. The machine works by translating digital commands into precise mechanical movements using stepper motors. There is a high-speed spindle motor that does the actual cutting or engraving. The Z-axis motor adjusts the height or depth of the tool, allowing it to cut into the material. All these motors are synchronized to follow the programmed path and create the desired shape. Motor coordination. This slide explains the motor system of the machine. The X-axis moves the tool from left to right, the Y-axis motor moves it forward and backward, and the Z-axis motor moves it up and down. These movements combined allow the machine to perform complex cuts and 3D contouring. Coordinated movement ensures high accuracy and consistent output in each job. Control system. All motors and the spindle are connected to a controller box that acts as the brain of the machine. The box contains stepper motor, drivers that manage power and direction, a Mag 3 interface board for PC connectivity, and a cooling fan to prevent overheating. Commands from the software are sent to the controller, which interprets them and sends signal to the motor to perform the required action. Components used. The machine uses various hardware components: stepper motors for motion control, a high-speed drilling motor for cutting, a ball screw for smooth linear motion. Drilling bits perform the cutting based on design. The Mag 3 boards link the computer to the physical hardware. Each part plays a key role in ensuring precision and operational stability. Components used Part 2. Other supporting components include a cooling fan to avoid overheating of electronics and couplings to connect motor to shafts. Supporting rods and mounts provide stability. Screws and fixtures are used to assemble all components firmly. A strong and stable mechanical frame is crucial for long-term accuracy of CNC operations. Prototype. This is a working prototype that shows a scaled-down or early model of the full machine, and it helps in testing the working of the machine, identifying flaws, and making improvements before full-scale manufacturing. It proves the concept is viable and that the design functions fully as expected. Application. 3-axis CNC milling machines are used for prototyping, mass production, and precision design work. They are common in industries like automotive, electronics, furniture, and sign making. The machine is ideal for both creative and functional application required fine detailing. Advantages. This machine offers many benefits. It provides high accuracy, repeatability, and efficiency. It can work on multiple materials, is compatible with easy-to-use software, and reduces manual labor. Once programmed, it can operate autonomously, saving time, effort, and minimizing waste. Thank you.